Hello, I'm Jose from ROCO 4x4 Spain, and welcome. Let's go to see inside. Here is our workshop where the magic happens, and we are building some vehicles from the stock to improvement, suspension, wheels, engine, all that you can imagine you can do, it happened here. We got here a Land Rover TD5. We are making some upgrades in the engine. Here we have a Polaris that we are making for a race. We have suspension, control arms, engine, all the things that we can do for racing rally race. This is Ram T-Rex. We are going to upgrade with HP Tuners the engine to have the maximum power. Here is the showroom. You can see here what we can do. We can do race cars like this Porsche 911. This is stock, the Mercedes, but we are going to improve the engine. Here we have a BMW 1M with wheels, suspension, exhaust. It has 400 horsepower. We are going to practice with this Shelby GT350R with HP Tuners that we are going to solve some fault problems and improve a little bit the power. This is the most capable Jeep that we have. We have frog suspension, triple bypass, coilover, bumper, winch, roll cage, and it has an EMI inside, 392. So it's my little baby. And here we have the reception. This is a place that you can wait for making job in your car. You can play billiard, you can play with the RC cars, and you can show the showroom and the work in your vehicle while you are waiting. Here is where our commercials speak with you about the best parts in your vehicle that you can mount, and it's the working that nobody sees, but we are here working for you. After the training of HP Tuners, we understand a lot. We learned very much. It was perfect. It was very good training.
We've just had an amazing visit with ROCO 4x4 Madrid. We've done some training with Mustang GT350, Audi RS6 and Jeep Gladiator. We're actually going to go now off-roading and have some fun.
Hemos hecho una parada para setear unos pequeños cambios y seguir con la ruta y ver cómo se comporta el vehículo un poco mejor.